Hello, greetings to all viewers in Indonesia as well as viewers abroad wherever you are. May the new innovation of renewable energy plant, micro hydro scale can be realized. I try to share with the exposure of limited scientific studies and let us provide the findings of the proven ideas from Indonesian society for the Indonesian country especially. I tried to give my last scientific YouTube content when my plenty of time right away till now. The third YouTube video was almost the same as the YouTube video first and second, whose content nature might be less favorite for YouTube public viewing consumption due to scientific, formal narrative, and serious topics. Moreover, the video duration was very long. Starting from the creation of YouTube first video content, which was an education of technical practice regarding the repair of simple dispenser equipment, as well as a full theory explanation of electricity installation at a glance. But the result of this work were real, concrete, and real practice on the field, which I exposed to around the beginning of 2018. This initial YouTube content was my first trial video, even though I had actually done a lot of other major technical repair work, but hadn't been able to video in until finally the YouTube video experiment was done. Furthermore, video second was the content of innovation and invention for residential AC technology products, but this video was just even an expression of my personal invention presentation itself in a social media forum, and the result of the innovation product experiment were real, concrete, and fulfilled. Then there was a practical occurrence which I exposed to around the end of 2018. However, I couldn't succeed in reaching the business stage for selling this product innovation into competent AC companies because I didn't know how to sell these innovation ideas and invention of residential AC products to authorized commercial companies. The aim of this innovation project was to anticipate the limited commercial power capacity owned by residential homes, as well as the goal of saving the cost of electricity consumption bills, but efforts to optimize the use of a number of existing household electrical appliances and minimize disturbance and constraints of limited electricity power. Besides, unfortunately, I also didn't know how to find out which market information from these residential AC producing companies that might need product innovation. If there was a commercial air conditioner manufacturing company having gearbox inspiration and trying to become a volunteer of realizing this innovative idea of the residential AC products, I would like to sell it immediately if it might be useful for the commercial business interest for the company itself, as well as for the benefit of the wider customer community, of course. The scope of work for an agreement deal is to submit the soft copy of technical blueprint of product innovation material sold to commercial AC companies, comprising of four innovation product variants. An automation system contains three AC units, and automation contains 4 units the second, and the automation system contains 5 units for the third, and the last fourth, the comprising of 6 AC units, and will be responsible for outlining and describing how the work of each product variant to the prospective buyer company until the operation basics are clear and understood. Note, the realization of the product that had been successfully tested and complied with was a system suite for residential AC units only. Then video third herewith is also the content of product innovation and invention by other different topics, namely renewable energy source, but the output form of innovation creation result was just a soft copy of system design blueprint, working description of the system, and couldn't provide into the physical product because of my limited resources, natural abilities, and personal abilities. However, this product invention idea just enhanced the treasury of a collection of scientifically available alternative sources of renewable energy in the world community, which some of them are sold and deployed commercially, known as solar power, hydroelectric power, wind power, geothermal, tidal waves, etc. However, even though I gave alternative discourses and traces of innovation invention for the products of renewable energy power generation system or renewable energy sources, I felt very optimistic that the innovation idea will be functioning and realized according to my professional experience I have so far. Nevertheless, it just has to be resolved constructively and miniaturistically and compact and painstaking. The door of entire compartment of the generating subsystem, given the very core and crucial analysis of power output sensitivity and transmission technical losses determination. I decided to share the idea of this innovation in the public forum via social media networks in a transparent and global manner. In order to get input and suggestions on this innovation subject to further strengthen ideas in constructing and utilizing innovative renewable energy technology products for Indonesia especially and for the world generally. I am pleased to contribute my thoughts and time to realize the innovation if the government of Indonesian especially supports the follow-up of this innovation project experiment resulting the most green energy power ever within the world in the future. A renewable energy product of the hydro-hybrid power generation system GP-MiHEM Flybrid model is focused on the micro-hydro scale, which produces a power output capacity of between half to 100 kilowatt. This micro-hydro output capacity is different from the large capacity hydroelectric power plant system, which uses very expensive, complicated, and complex challenge. Meanwhile, in this low-cost, effective, and efficient hydro-hybrid power plant systems, a rigorous analysis is applied to consider the transmission losses of the power plant, which are very core, prime, and crucial, yet reliable and having simple, super efficient, and easy working maintenance. The realization of this product invention is felt much possible that it can be re-engineered and implemented, like making a wristwatch product with a complex machine structure, small size, very compact machine construction, means solid, strong, and reliable. In addition, the current technological sophistication factor that could drive and make it possible to push the realization of this hydro-hybrid power plant product is, as you look at the sophistication of the shuttle technology, which has super sophisticated mechanical components, a compact and strong engine construction, or the other products like a sophistication of submarine technology, which can launch missiles from the depths of the seawater into the air atmosphere by having super sophisticated mechanical components, compact and strong engine construction, and so on, that doing the work in the salt water condition and in very, very deep and high pressure environments. Nowadays, the realization of this innovation is very much needed while starting the initial step by initiative of strict involvement and supports from the central government Indonesian authorities, especially high attention from Mr. President Joko Widodo and Minister of Finance, Mrs. Sri Mulyani, to organize and realize the design of several prototype components for the core generator subsystem written below into the project implementation stage, which includes 1. Mediation of procurement of making flywheel products made of carbon fiber with a mass of 200 kg per unit and a diameter of 34 centimeter. by involving professional government and private institutions. Mediation procurement of high-speed mechanical block machine tool products with speed 130,000 RPM by involving government and private professional institutions. Next, mediation unification of two different product tools units mentioned above into a reliable package integration plus mechanical block machine high speed by involving professional government and private institutions. Next, mediation the availability of belting and pulley procurement according to the dimensions of the size and mechanical strength specifications by involving government and private personal institutions, including the manufacturers. Next, project mediation for installation and integration connection of GP-MiHEM Flybrid hydro-hybrid power plant subsystem by involving government and private professional institutions, comprising of procurement of main water tank and sub-tank according to respective dimensions, procurement of water tank floor platforms on certain height, minimum 2.5 meter above ground level, procurement of water solenoid valve, including installation, tap into each piping port placement. Next, procurement of shaft rotating speed sensors with several different speed rates according to technical specifications, including installation on each coupling transmission point. Next, procurement of water wheels and installation of civil structure construction. Next, procurement of generators, UPS, and other electrical installation materials. Next, procurement of ground reservoir and pumping machine centrifugal and other civil construction of the entire subsystem equipment structure. In recent years, the increasing world population also has an impact on increasing energy needs as well, while the problem of electrification covers Indonesia with the condition of many islands, large territory, and isolated areas, and large many gap implementation for the need to be addressed. Indonesian Minister of Finance, Sri Mulyani, explained that the climate change is one of the challenges that are being faced by all countries in the world, apart from the current big problems, COVID-19 pandemics. The availability of renewable energy is expected to be a solution to this phenomenon. It is hoped that renewable energy investment can increase the availability of environmentally friendly electricity. In addition, Indonesia has an electrification ratio that still needs a lot of struggle for regions that have no electricity grid available. Such is the sharing from one citizen of Indonesian common people who wants to try to provide and share his private, my private scientific information, not to be kept as a private secret for life or not hidden in the personal secret for life. Although there's a highly extreme possibility that this my idea of knowledge that I share could be very vague, uncompleted, unfounded, and has many shortcomings. But I must consequently accept it with graceful spirit. Thank you for your given attention. Greetings, success Indonesian, and being great. Best regards, GP. Thank you.